One time I was assigned to represent a young man with an intellectual disability. I was really compelled by the fact that this young man was conned by his so-called friends into being a lookout at a series of burglaries. I worked very closely with his family. I worked very closely with his caseworker, and we were able to come up with a sentence that made sense. That is to say, a sentence that kept the community safe, but more importantly, ensured that he would never commit another crime. I've devoted my practice, I've devoted my life to representing people with mental disabilities, because I think there's something fundamentally wrong about the fact that we as a society criminalize people for manifesting the symptoms of their disability. I represent people who, although they should be accountable for what they have done, at bottom need treatment, not punishment. I do a good deal of writing and a good deal of speaking. I have edited a number of different books that are how-to books for criminal defense lawyers, one on representing people with mental disabilities, another on representing people with autism spectrum disorder, and another on representing people with dementia. I practice across the United States. I have handled cases in over 20 different states. I have found that people with mental disabilities, despite the uniqueness of each individual client, have common interests and common challenges within the criminal legal system. My knowledge of the entire United States, of the customs and practices in different jurisdictions, plus my experience working with mental health experts endures to the benefit of my clients as well as their families. And because of my nationwide practice, I can more effectively advocate for them and get them the resources they need in order to best serve them, to make sure that you, your loved one, and your family suffer from as little trauma as possible.